Good evening, or should I say afternoon. My name is Austin Jensen. I am a CLI with the Indian River County Public Defender's Office. And in this video, I'm going to tell you why I chose this placement, what I liked about it, what I disliked about it, and what any recommendations I have for any students or colleagues coming into this role. So, the first reason, why did I choose to be a CLI at my public defender's office in Indian River County? Well, one, it's where I live. So it was just easy to find a relationship with an office there. For context, this isn't my first time working for this office. This is technically my third, but I would say my second time where I was fully working for them. Because last summer I was working more for a private attorney, and I was volunteering my free time when I had time. But one, it was because of the home aspects, but two, it's also because I just love criminal law. I find it to be the most fascinating type of law in our legal system. I also think it's the one where you get the most trial experience. So if you're a big trial person, or if you want to see what it's like, you're going to get a lot of trials, especially as a public defender. What else can I say about this? I also think it's the most rewarding when it comes to clients. You're going to have the most unique cast of clients compared to other placements or other types of law. You're going to have some you really like, some you really don't like, and it's all going to help you become a better lawyer because you're going to learn how to deal with people of different backgrounds. But also, you're also going to feel closer to them in a lot of ways because there's a lot more on the line. So you feel their wins and you feel their losses. What I liked about this placement, non-stop action. You would never have anything not to do as a public defender. The average attorney here has at least 100 clients. And we're a small county, so if you're in a bigger one like Miami-Dade, 100, 300, those are small numbers. They get way more clients than we do. So you're going to be constantly working. You're also going to see a lot of different cases. You're writing a lot, so this is a good job for learning how to write. It's also a good job for learning how to act in court because you're going to be in court a lot. What I disliked about my placement, not anything in particular, I would say. Besides that, and this isn't anything with my placement, this is just a personal matter. When you lose, it hurts. When I say lose, I mean at trial. Especially when you don't think your defendant's actually guilty, it hurts. But with maturity and time, that's something that can be reconciled, and you'll learn how to take this punch as well. Just know that your client's losses you shouldn't let them get to you emotionally. And then when I say that, it's not that you can't feel bad for them, but this isn't the type of job where you can sit there and allow it to make you depressed, because you have a duty to help other clients as well. Now, any recommendations? Like I said, if you're a trial or want to see trials, take this job. You're going to love it. Right now, I know in most counties, especially my counties of In River, Okeechobee, Martin, and St. Lucie, which is the 19th Judicial Circuit of Florida, we don't have enough public defenders right now. A lot of people don't want to go to court anymore as attorneys. So right now, this is a great market to find a job because there's not enough of us. I also think it's a good job if you want to get a family aspect, because there's a lot of public defenders and they're very united in their efforts to help people. So I think if you're looking for a family aspect when it comes to law, a public defender is a good route to go. Well, those are my thoughts. I hope they've convinced you or intrigued you at the very least. And, I hope this affects someone's decision in the future.